In this video, we will discuss compressed air in pharma industry and see how it is generated, its importance in pharma, and some applications. Hi guys, welcome to my channel with another video, compressed air in the pharmaceutical industry. We will learn about the compressed air, how it is generated, and what are the process or applications that require compressed air for their normal operations. So let's start. Introduction. Compressed air is the normal air pressure in the environment. It is compressed to higher pressure that is greater than the normal atmospheric pressure. It remains at this level until delivered to its target location or process. Compressed air is same as that breathed by humans without filtering, adding any chemicals or treating with any process. As the air is compressed, it stores energy in it. The energy is released when transferred to the tight system, such as pneumatic cylinder or air motors. This stored energy is capable of doing work in proportion to the stored compressed air. The pressure of compressed air is indicated in bar or psi. Compressed air is generated by an equipment called air compressors. It consists of motor-driven compressor which is used to compress air. It intakes air from the environment and compresses up to the required pressure. Air compressor also includes a tank for storing the compressed air into it. The tank can store up to its rated value, and compressors stop compressing air if the tank reaches its maximum value. Applications. Let's look at typical application of compressed air in the pharmaceutical industry. As stated earlier, compressed air has various applications in the pharma industry. Some of them include activating pneumatic components, container blower, cleaning purpose, atomization, vacuum braking, and air motors. Let's briefly discuss each of these. Activating pneumatic components. Pneumatic components require compressed air to activate and operate to perform basic functions. And these are common components in various pharma equipment. These components require compressed air to operate and must be of specific pressure at which the pneumatic component is designed to operate. If compressed air is not supplied with the required pressure, it will either reduce the response rate or affect the operation. Container blower. Container blowing is a technique of blowing compressed air in the container prior to filling the product in them. The compressed air is blown for a fixed time in the container at specified pressure. The main aim of container blowing is to remove foreign particles or objects from the container. After blowing, the containers are transferred to next station. Typically, it includes filling or washing. In the pharmaceutical industry, there are two types of blowing machine. Bottle blowing machine, the second is ampule or vial blowing machine. In bottle blowing machine, bottles are blown, and in the ampule vial blowing machine, ampules or vials are blown. Cleaning process. The cleaning process is an important part where compressed air is used to clean the machine, area, tools, or other accessories in addition to other cleaning processes. Compressed air is used in initial cleaning before applying other methods. Compressed air blows away any product traces, leftover packaging material, or any other item that can be physically displaced. After cleaning with compressed air, other methods such as cleaning agents or water is used. For cleaning purposes, an air gun is used, a handheld accessory that can be directly connected to the compressed air line. The advantage of air gun is that it is handy and can be easily aimed at the target location or position. Compressed air is also used in clean in place applications where it is used to dry the equipment after wet cleaning agent has been applied. Atomization. Compressed air is used in coating guns for atomizing purposes. Atomization is a process of draw formation or spray pattern through a spray gun. In this process, compressed air combined with liquid to be sprayed. which convert the liquid flow into a mist of drops. The spray or drop formation depends upon compressed air supply. The spray pattern can be varied or changed by changing the compressed air pressure. Vacuum breaking. Vacuum breaking is the process of breaking a vacuum in a chamber and making it at normal pressure. This process is required in machines where a vacuum is required as a part of normal process. After completion of process, normal pressure is achieved to process to next stage or to end the process. The compressor must be supplied equal to the amount of vacuum in the chamber. Air motors. Air motors are specially designed motor that uses compressed air to operate instead of normal electric motors that require electricity to operate. There are many reasons of using air motors in pharmaceutical industry. The biggest reason being safety it offers in the unique pharma environment. It is common in pharma industry that the area in which process is being carried out is humid and contain moisture levels greater than normal values. Additionally, some pharma processes also require alcohol at various stages. Alcohol is volatile and its fumes escape in the environment. The presence of moisture and alcohol become hazardous for electrical components and parts as they can easily react with the electricity. It can result in electrical shock and damage to the electrical components, including electrical motor. Air motors are used in place of motor application in hazardous environments which can easily perform motor-based applications. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you immediately know whenever there is a new video. You can also read the article on PharmaSpec's website. Link of the article is also mentioned in the description.